worried about the gift of God gave us nature, and we all are so careless in destroying nature. Though we understand it is important, yet we do not take much care and encourage others to grow much more trees.
Will you tell me please? It is because we are cutting the trees that nurture nature. Come back please so that we can learn from the skit. Now sit and enjoy the skit to understand why we should save tree. So now here is a small presentation and get ready to enjoy the skit. Two girls are playing around the tree. Another girl come in and see them enjoying the nature.
Hi friend, how are you? What are you doing? We are playing and enjoying the beautiful nature. Wow, and so beautiful. Do you know who makes the world? Yes, my mother says the God has made the beautiful world. Butterflies, birds, flowers, animals, stars, clouds, and etc. Yes, my grandmother said that God has made the beautiful world. Trees, rivers, fish, and everything around us. Wow! Water! Yeah, everything is made by God. The fresh air we breathe, the water we drink. Yes, my mother said that God has made you and me.
The girls move around the forest and see all the trees and other beautiful things around, like the colorful flowers, pretty butterflies, monkeys jumping, and peacock dancing with joy in the forest. They also watch beautiful scenery of mountains, hills, rivers, and sea. Now the woodcutter man came and he see many trees and start thinking which one to cut. He saw a tall tree standing in the middle of the forest, decide to cut the tree. Then suddenly the girls came running.
Uncle, please do not cut the tree. This tree gives us fruits, vegetables, and many other things. They also have life. Uncle, if you cut the tree will suffer from pain.
The woodcutter stopped paying attention to the children and continued to cut down the tree. Later, the woodcutter and the advice of the children realized the importance of trees and felt sorry for his mistake, threw his axe and decided to plant more trees. Children are playing and enjoying themselves in the park. The park is full of fruits giving tree like mango, chiku, etc.
I am feeling very hungry. Hey, stop. Why? I am feeling very hungry. Yes, my mother told me always to wash the fruits before eating because it is polluted. Yes, my grandmother said during her childhood days she has eaten the fruits without washing. Yes, it is true, but my mother says nowadays our nature, water and our surroundings are all polluted. Yes, this God gives and we are responsible to take care of it. We should not waste fruits, vegetables, water, electricity, paper, and we should not use plastic bags to save our nature from pollution. Yes, we all need to work together to save our nature and earth. Thank you for making me understand that I can do something to save the earth. Thank you. Hello, that's Arvati. You are looking very beautiful. Yeah, because I am loaded with makeup for that. Wow, I looked at it to your dad.